Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the MP40 Airsoft Spring Gun Double Eagle. This is just a cheap gun that I got for free with another one of my rifles that I also did an unboxing of audio. This is Christmas, so just look for the other one done on Christmas. Not uploaded, just made. So yeah, let's just jump on into it. Have to find a good place to get the knife in here. I'm just gonna go for this. Perfect. Let me just get all this plastic off first. Get up that so crazy. Now, as you can see, the box is kind of dented and stuff because this one's free, so they didn't take very good care of it because they're just kind of giving it away. But hey, it's free, so might as well just take it. But top of the box, just hollow. Don't quite know what that is. We'll figure that out eventually. Comment if you know what it is, would you? Well, if you could. No idea what these are. As well, comment if you could. Same with that. Now this I know what it is. It's a magazine. No idea how much this holds. I'll do a review on it so that you guys get all updated on that. A sling, very cheap and very small. Looks like it's probably broken. Like 25 BBs probably. Flash hider or sight or whatever you want to call it. Don't know. Instructions. Best part. Just a little ad. Now for the gun itself. Let's go. Oh, good. Another broken thing. Most likely. Okay. This is the gun. Odds are this is supposed to be like that. But I'm not sure if I'm putting that on. Let's see. Yeah, I'll think about that. Has a folding stock. Sure I can figure it out. Maybe. Yeah, I'll figure that out later at least. Okay, the magazine would go in here. Most likely the other way though. Yep, you can just hold it and let's see. Oh, look at that. How creative. To flip up, whatever you want to call it, charge handle. Oh wow. Very hard to pull back. Well, harder than usual. Magazine release right there. Yes, that was loud. I don't know why this won't swing down. I'll have to look at that. Let's see. Surprised it didn't come with any accessories. It has an RS rail layout. That's the only thing I see though. But yeah, maybe this is supposed to like go here, and then this goes on the end of that. I don't know. Best guess I have right now, at least. Oh wait. Oh, I got it. Okay, yeah. All these pieces, this just goes on the end and etc. And then it just keeps piling on pretty much. It's Tetris. No, I didn't put that on straight. Sorry if I'm doing this out of y'all view. I'm trying to get this on so that it's easier right now. Okay, now this would appear to be... Oh, crap. Okay. So let's see. Odds are you're supposed to take this off. It's just a guess. Put it through here like that. And just thread this on. I'm not sure if this is broken inside for the threads or not, because it's hard to get it to go on straight. There we go, got it. Okay, then I'm guessing that's just the sling down there. Magazine would go in like this. This. No idea. Nope. Perfect. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, rate, subscribe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.